Namaste dear friends, welcome to HATA Yoga Focus. My name is Lallu Marquiz. Last week we have discussed about the 3 different categories of food. Today we are discussing about the 6 important habits that we have to develop as a yoga practitioner. So let's begin the session. Namaste. Namaste friends. Today we are discussing about 6 habits that we have to develop during our time for food. Number 1 is you have to keep our food at a regular schedule. Keeping our meal in a regular schedule is help us to improve our metabolism and also improve the digest of food very fastly. And it is very important that if you, for example, if you are taking a breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning, try to have breakfast at the same time. And if you're taking lunch at 1:30 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, try to do the same. So the brain cells will inform your digestive system and you can able to follow your regular diet accordance with that. And it is also good for the digestive system as well, as I mentioned before. So try to follow that first step. The second one we have to develop is to eat slowly. In the fast moving world, we could not able to eat. We don't getting enough time to eat very slowly. But we have to develop a tendency to eat very slowly. You have to chew your food very slowly, and you have to chew your food, and then it is going to the belly, the stomach. We have to understand that the digestion is happening from our mouth. Then it is going to the stomach. So we have to chew our food very deeply. Then it is also help us to reduce the weight. Most of the people getting weight because they are eating so fast and the digestion, it is not happening very well. That is why they are getting extra fat and they are improving their weight. So if you wanted to if you want to reduce your fat and if you want to reduce your weight, eating slowly, it is an excellent option for you. The third habit that we have to develop is to do not overload your system. That means don't eat too much beyond your capacity of your stomach. When we getting a tasty food, we forget everything and we eat too much. That is a major problem for many people. Sometimes I also do this, I can confess that. But we have to try to reduce eating too much. Ideally, in yoga scriptures, it says that you have to fill your stomach with 50% of food, 25% of liquid, water, something like that, and 25% empty, so that you can breathe very properly and also digestion will happen so fast. And it also helps to improve your functions of your heart. So eating in a moderate level will help you to have a good healthy lifestyle. Number 4 is to eat your food in a silent atmosphere. Maybe many people are having a corporate job. They could not have a time sit in an atmosphere of silence and eating food. They'll be eating on the go, or they'll be eating watching television or watching mobile phone. So these are the tendencies that we have to avoid. If you are going to have food, try to eat in silence, and that will give a relationship with you and the food that you are taking. So having your food in a silence is also very important. Number 5 is to fast at least once in a week. It is very challenging for many people, including me. I also don't fast every week. Maybe I fast 2 times in a month. But if you having a fasting every week, once in a week, it will give a greatest experience in your body and your mind. It will really regenerate your mind and your body. And the perfect fast is to fasting with pure water. nothing else. So it will give you a greatest experience, and it is also cleaning your body. So fasting is once in a week also a habit that you can develop. The sixth habit that we have to develop, and it is very important, thank the universe. If you look at this world, other part of the world, many people could not able to find food for one time. Many people are suffering because they are not getting food. But as the grace of the universe, we have the opportunity to have food in our table. So that we have to thank the universe for give us this opportunity to have the food. And this will help you a lot, a sense of satisfaction and a spiritual experience during you having your food. That's all I wanted to say to you, and I hope you enjoy the session. If you enjoy this video, like this video and share with your friends and families, and consider subscribe the channel. Next week I will be coming with other video, and I will see you on the next week. Namaste.